lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make an hot oil treatment for your hair. Yes, for much length retention and mega growth. I've been doing this for months and I really love the results of what it is doing in my hair, be it relaxed or natural. This hot oil treatment helps open up your hair follicles and allow more blood flow into your hair roots and into your hair strands. And with this method, I say we are going to use the onion, garlic, ginger oil that we made. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, and also check on that before you come and we proceed with this one. Now let's get into the feed. Alright guys, so now I have my onion, garlic, ginger oil that I made here. This is my homemade oil and that's my storage. That's what I stored in. And now that is for our that is the hot oil treatment. So I'm going to pour this into my applicator bottle. I think this amount is right cool for me to use. Now the next method is I'm going to need hot water. Yes, so I'm going to allow this to be in the hot water for some minutes. Yes, for some minutes, then I'll come back to it. Alright guys, so now it's time for our hot oil treatment application to be done, and I have my hot oil ready here. Yes, from the hot water. So now I'm going ahead to take my hair, which is in twists, in big twists. I'm not going to do it all at once, so I'm going to do it in bit by bit, as in twists that you can see. So this is what I have to apply to my hair. My hair is super dry. Please don't do what I'm doing. If you want to start detangling your hair, just start from the end tip. So I'm going to start by applying the oils bit by bit onto my scalp. So I'll be going ahead to put it back in twist. My hair was super dry, so with this method, just look at how my hair is now. Yes, that's my hair. So I'm going to take this portion to do it. So I'm going ahead So I'm going to do the rest of camera. Alright guys, so it's left with this portion, so I'm going ahead try to scoop and spread the oil from the root to the strands and to the ends. That is the oldest part. That's how it's supposed to be. My hair was super dry, and now is so soft and feels moisturized even just before. So I'm going ahead to apply some on the end of all of them. Yes, so that's what I'm going to do. Your ends are the oldest parts of your hair, so when you are treating it, you treat it very, very well. So I'm going ahead. When you have any type of plastic bag that you have, you can use it on your hair. Yes, you can use it on your hair. So I'm going to put this on my hair. Yes, and apply my bonnet on, which is inside out satin bonnet. Now I'm done. I'm going to leave this on for about, all my shower caps have finished, so those the one that I could reach out to. I'll leave this on for 2 hours, then I'll go and wash it with a mild shampoo, then I'll apply my moisturizer. You can use my rice water as my conditioner.